Hello, this is Laura. Welcome to day 38 of your English Fluency Challenge. Today we are going to work on something powerful. Speaking with confidence like you are talking in front of an audience. Because real fluency is not just about talking in small conversations. It is also about expressing your ideas clearly when people are listening to you. Let me ask you something honestly. Do you feel nervous when you speak in front of others? Do you feel like your voice becomes weak or your mind goes blank? That is completely normal. But today, we are going to change that. Today, you will learn how to speak with confidence, clarity, and strong presence. Let me tell you something important. Confidence in speaking is not about being perfect. It is about being clear and believing in what you say. Let's start with a simple idea. Speak with a clear voice. Do not rush. Slow down your speech slightly. For example, say, I am working on improving my English, and I feel confident about my progress. Speak clearly and with control. Now let's go deeper. Use pauses. Do not be afraid of silence. A small pause makes your words stronger. For example, I believe, improvement takes time, but consistency makes it possible. This sounds powerful. Now let's practice. Say this sentence with confidence. I am improving every day and I believe in my progress. Repeat it slowly and clearly. Now let's move to your first exercise. It is called Speak Like a Speaker. Choose a topic and speak for 1 minute as if you are talking to an audience. For example, today I want to talk about personal growth, and I believe it is one of the most important things in life. Continue and expand your idea. Now, your second exercise is use emphasis. Stress important words in your sentence. For example, the most important thing is consistency, or what really matters is practice. This adds power to your voice. Now let's go deeper. Your third exercise is control your body and tone. Even if this is audio, imagine your posture is straight, your voice is steady, and your tone is confident. This changes how you sound. Now let's practice real speaking. Imagine you are giving a short talk. Start. Today, I want to share something important about learning English. Continue. I believe consistency and practice are the keys to success, and anyone can improve with the right mindset. Keep going. Now let's move to something powerful. Your fourth exercise is handle nervousness. If you feel nervous, do not stop. Continue speaking slowly. For example, I might feel a bit nervous, but I am focused on expressing my ideas clearly. This builds confidence. And now let me share something important. Confidence grows with practice. The more you speak, the stronger your voice becomes. Now let me talk to you honestly. You have reached day 38. That means your English is not just fluent. It is becoming confident, powerful, and expressive. You are learning to speak not just in conversations, but in front of people. This is a high-level skill. Now let's do one powerful exercise together. Speak for 1 minute about your journey as if you're talking to an audience. Start. Today, I want to share my journey of improving my English. Continue. Add emotion, confidence, and clarity. Keep going. Now let me give you one powerful tip. Believe in your voice. When you trust yourself, your speaking becomes naturally strong. Now let's do one final practice. Imagine someone asks you to introduce yourself in front of a group. You respond, "Hello everyone, my name is, and I am currently working on improving my English and building my confidence. I believe learning English is an important step in my personal growth, and I am committed to improving every day." This is clear and confident.